Welcome to our channel. If you want to take advantage of App Store introductory offers to get free trials of premium apps and services, follow these step-by-step instructions to access valuable content without immediate payment. Step 1. Open your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Browse or search for apps that offer introductory free trial periods, which are typically highlighted with labels like Try Free or Free Trial Available. Step 3. Select an app that interests you and carefully review the subscription details, noting the trial duration, regular price, and what features are included. Step 4. Tap the free trial button to begin the subscription process, being aware that you'll need to provide payment information even though you won't be charged immediately. Step 5. Complete the authentication process using Face ID, Touch ID, or your password to confirm the subscription and start your free trial period. Step 6. Immediately set a reminder on your calendar for 24 to 48 hours before the trial ends, giving yourself time to decide whether to continue or cancel. Step 7. Download and fully explore the app during your trial period, testing all premium features to determine if the subscription is worth the cost. Step 8. If you decide not to continue, navigate to your account's subscription management section and cancel before the trial period ends to avoid being charged. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.